country, but like they said, here in Florida, we're having these heat advisories each and every day. Are we going to have more of those?
I mean, we could see a couple of those being issued throughout the month of August. You know, we have 31 days left of July, and we've pretty much been under heat advisories for Palm Beach County almost every single day beginning since the 4th of July, with the exception of a couple days where we did have some rain and tropical moisture. Take a look at that scene. Boca Raton just absolutely beautiful on this Sunday evening. Temperatures in the low 90s still, winds very calm at the moment, and our feels like temperature at 102 degrees. So it's still very steamy for those evening plans. Just want to say hydrated, heat advisory all the way through 8 p.m. So a couple more hours of temperatures feeling like the triple digits. Now we should see a little bit of relief there for your Monday. We're going to see some rain kicking in. That's going to help drop the temperatures. And then Tuesday all the way through Thursday, we're going to see our winds mostly out of the northeast. So that'll also help keep our humidity out of that range to be under those heat advisories criteria for the South Florida area and also for the Treasure Coast. So we're still going to feel like the triple digits, but not as extreme as what we've seen the past several weeks here across the board. Now there's a look at the radar 1 hour time lapse, mostly dry conditions along the Palm Beaches. The rain that I'm watching is starting to really fade away there. This is along Okeechobee County. Some lightning strikes just to the east of Fort Bassinger. We have some heavy rain from Dixie Ranch Acres to Basewood Estates all the way to Okeechobee. Some lighter rainfall there along Indian River County. So seeing less activity as we start to see less of that daytime heating. We are going to see some higher rain coverage in the forecast for your Monday. We're going to have a southwest wind, so later start to the rain and storms, but I think it's going to be a little bit more widespread. And then Tuesday all the way through the end of the work week, we should see your typical summer-like sea breeze pattern. Now we do have the potential for 1 or 2 stronger storms for your Monday. That'll be throughout the later half of the afternoon hours. Temperatures will be heating up very quickly. We're going to see winds out of the southwest, and that's when we're going to see those numbers popping in the mid-90s, especially along the coast. It's going to be one of the hotter days we're going to see in quite some time, still feeling like the triple digits. And then look what happens after 1 o'clock. We'll start to see scattered rain moving in from the west, pushing eastward. A couple stronger storms possible along the Palm Beaches, even inland Palm Beach County. And then later half of the afternoon hours and into the early evening, we could see some activity there along the Treasure Coast. But it's going to really drop those temperatures about 10 to 15 degrees when you have scattered rain and clouds on over you. A couple strong storms possible for Okeechobee County into Indian River County, so we will be on the lookout for that by around 5 p.m. Monday. Activity should linger all the way through the evening hours, even a couple lingering showers past sundown. So plan for one of those wetter days as we start off a brand new work week and wrap up the month of July. Now taking a look out in the tropics, we have 2 areas that we're watching, neither posed to be a threat to the continental United States or even Canada. These will mainly stay out to sea, but this one has a higher chance of developing, looking a lot more organized than the system off the Carolina coast. Otherwise, both names, if they do become tropical storms, are Emily and also I already forgot the other one already, but here we go with Franklin. We have the 2 systems again staying away from the continental United States. So no threat to us here across South Florida, but still very much hurricane season. Temperatures right now, we have the 90s to the low 80s, and then rain cooled air there for Okeechobee are at 79 degrees. And then overnight, everyone widespread mid to upper 70s. A shower or 2 still possible through midnight. And then other than that, very cloudy, muggy conditions expected. Tomorrow, scattered storms and the potential for a few stronger storms at times. So it is an impact day with that. And also temperatures will feel like the hundreds. Beach and boating, we have a southwest to southeasterly wind. So very beautiful if you get out there early in the morning, and then storms for the later second half of your day. Let me show you your first warning forecast, certified the most accurate here across South Florida. Mid-90s Monday, Tuesday, chance for a few storms each and every day all the way through the following weekend. Jade?